Lost. You mentioned you were getting into photography recently. Are you planning to take more photos on the hike?
Same here. It's going to be an adventure.
That's great. I'd love to see your photos afterward. Do you have a favorite subject to photograph?
I've been trying to improve my photography skills. Nature is the perfect subject, and I want to capture the scenery.
I enjoy it, but I'm not as serious about it as you are. I mostly take pictures of my pets and friends. They're always so photogenic.
I really enjoy taking landscape photos. There's something magical about capturing a beautiful sunset or a misty morning. How about you? Do you like photography?
I have a cat named Bella. She can be a bit camera shy, but when she's in the mood, I get some adorable shots.
Pets are the best subjects. I have a dog named Max, and he's always up for a photo shoot. What about your pets? Cats can be tricky to photograph. I remember trying to get a good picture of Max once, but he just wouldn't sit still.
Right? It's like they know when you want to take their picture. Have you ever thought about making a photo album of your hikes?
I've thought about it. It would be nice to document my adventures. Maybe I can create a digital album and share it with friends.
I could. It might be fun to write down my thoughts and experiences. Plus, it'll give me something to look back on.
I love that. It would make the album even more special. Do you think you'll keep a journal during our hike?
Yes, I went on a hike last summer with my family and we reached the summit just in time for sunset. The view was breathtaking.
Exactly. Memories are so valuable. Speaking of memories, do you have any favorite hiking experiences?
It really was. We took so many photos and just soaked in the beauty. What about you? Any memorable hikes?
I once hiked a trail that led to a waterfall. The sound of the water was so calming and the view was incredible. I felt so accomplished when I reached it.
Waterfalls are the best. There's something so refreshing about being near one. It makes the hike worthwhile.
For sure, I hope we can find a trail with a waterfall someday. It would be a nice change of pace.
Absolutely. I'll keep my eyes open for trails with waterfalls. They can be such beautiful spots to relax and take in nature.
Great. Let's make it a goal for future hikes. I'm really looking forward to this weekend.
Same here. Let's make it an adventure to remember.
Definitely. I'll send a group message to everyone, and we can finalize the plans.
Perfect. By the way, have you thought about any hobbies you want to pick up?
Lately, I've been interested in learning to play the guitar. I've always wanted to make music.
That's awesome. I've heard that playing an instrument can be really rewarding. Have you started learning yet?
I just bought a guitar last week. I've been watching some online tutorials. It's a bit challenging, but I'm enjoying it.
That's great. I've always wanted to learn an instrument too. Maybe you can teach me some basics one day.
I'd love to. It'll be fun to learn together. What about you? Any hobbies you're thinking of starting?
I've been wanting to try painting. I think it would be a nice way to express my creativity.
Watercolors are lovely. I've seen some amazing landscapes created with them. You could even paint some of the views from our hikes.
I'm drawn to watercolor painting. It looks so calming and beautiful. I think it would be a great way to relax.
Exactly. It would be a perfect way to capture the moment. You could even make it a routine to bring your painting supplies on hikes.
That's a fantastic idea. I could set up a little easel at the top of the trail and paint the scenery.
Yes, it's worth it. Having quality materials can really enhance the experience. Do you have a favorite color you'd like to use?
I think I will. It would be a nice blend of hiking and creativity. I'll have to invest in some good supplies.
I'm a fan of orange. It's such a vibrant color, and it always makes me feel cheerful.
I love blues and greens. They remind me of nature and the sky. What about you? Do you have a favorite color?
I have. It was such a fun experience. I made a couple of t-shirts with bright colors. It was messy, but totally worth it.
Orange is a great color. It really stands out. Speaking of colors, have you ever tried tie-dyeing?
You should definitely give it a shot. It's a fun group activity too. Maybe we could organize a tie-dye day with our friends after the hike.
That sounds like a blast. I've always wanted to try tie-dyeing. It seems like a great way to create unique clothing.
I'm excited just thinking about it. Let's keep it in mind for next time. I can't wait for this weekend.
That's a fantastic idea. It would be a great way to unwind and unleash our creativity after our adventure.
Definitely. I'll see you then, and we'll have an amazing time.
Me neither. I'll see you then, and we'll have an amazing time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and stay tuned for the upcoming episodes to keep improving your English. And remember, listening, practice, and improve.